Was it football that you wanted always? Did you think
I
of
did
cricket?
not know. No, I loved I love football more. I'm not sure whether I was that good in cricket. I played it because I enjoyed it, but I wasn't. There is some burning sensation which happens when you play a specific sport. For me, that was always football.
We
At
have,
the school level, yeah, go
we
on.
have just been told that you used to play cricket a lot.
Yeah,
First class
I used
cricket.
to. I used to enjoy it. At that time, at that level, I was good at it. But then football was always.
घर पे क्या था? Pressure था कभी that cricket खेलना है या?
I have the best upbringing. Man. My mother always used to tell me.
Both of them were sports persons,
Yes,
right?
my father was absent because of him being in army.
But he played in the
Yeah,
army.
yeah, yeah. Man, for me, घर पे था जो भी करो दिल से करो and you don't have to lie to us. So I was enjoying because I could see what was happening in the neighborhood. कि बाकी दोस्तों को फोर्स किया जा रहा है कि ये करो वो करो. हमें कभी फोर्स नहीं किया है घर पे. जो करना है करो पर दिल से करो. So in return, what my mom got was we were always, if I wanted to watch television, I was watching television. If I wanted to go and play, I was going and play. If I wanted to study, I was studying. There was no. She gave me the ownership right when I was really young. She's like, don't lie to me. Just do whatever you want, but do it properly.
That's kind of rare, no?
I know. And even at that time, I realized it. But at that time, you don't have a profound mind to think and analyze or see the philosophical part of it. At that time, I used to laugh at my friends. कि ना किताब खोल लिया पर टीवी के बारे में सोच रहे हो, टीवी देख रहे हो पर खेलने के बारे में सोच रहे हो, डाइनिंग टेबल पे पढ़ाई के बारे में सोच रहे हो वगैरह वगैरह. आई नेवर हैड टू गो थ्रू इट. आई वाज डूइंग एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वांटेड.
But you also need parental encouragement because getting into sports, like I played, when you're doing inter-school, then you do zones, then you go to inter-zonal. But जब आप वो state level के लिए select हो जाते हो और वो state level पे जाना पड़ता है, that means you need a lot of parental support. You
Yeah.
need financial support.
Yeah.
At what point of time was it some kind of a hurdle? कि हाँ, my parents can't afford to do this for me. I will need a scholarship. I will need help.
I think my mom and dad, especially my mom, because I think she was oblivious to all these things. I don't think she took the pressure that like I'm a parent now. I've got a lot of parent friends. I don't think my mom took that kind of pressure. क्या करेगा, क्या बनेगा, क्या बात है. She just, I think we were living at the moment. We were just living कि हाँ आज हो गया, today was good. I think more, the thinking part was done more by my father, who was away and who will come couple of months in a year and he'll ask stuff and he'll ask me, what are you doing, what do you think.
He was in non-family always.
He was what?
In non-family stations.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
said he used to come.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah. Majority of the times, yes. He was in Kashmir, he was in Kargil, like that. So when he came, there were serious questions about, semi-serious questions about what are you going to do. But at home with my mom, we never thought, which career path you are good at, how much you're going to make, nothing. We're just living. Me, my mom and sister, we were just living. And as I said, thankfully at the right time, which is after class 12th, I got to Mohun Bagan. And then I could see what can I earn, what is this and what and that. So the pressure didn't mount as much. But घर पे कभी था ही नहीं मॉम को मेरे को या मुझे या बंधु को मेरी बहन को कि क्या करना क्या नहीं. We're just living.
Click here to watch the full episode.